Hey guys, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well, and today we are going to be covering our list of the best hybrid mattresses found online these days. So a hybrid bed, if you didn't know already, is basically just a mattress that uses coils on the bottom for support and various foams above for comfort. They're a really good style of mattress for supporting bigger body types, myself included. I am a bigger person who sleeps exclusively on a hybrid bed, and they're also pretty nice for anyone who wants a really responsive style of bed. But since there are so many different hybrid beds online to choose from nowadays, you may struggle where to start in regards to your online hybrid mattress search. And that's where we come in. We have, hand selected 7 picks for this list to kind of point you in the right direction. Now, since this is a video and there are 7 beds in total to cover, I am going to go rather quickly today, but just know there should be a lot more information regarding these mattresses down below in the description box of this video. Speaking of this video, if you get something out of it, click the like button on it and consider subscribing to the Slumber Yard for so much more. But now let's cover the best hybrid mattresses for this year. Okay, so right up top here, I do want to note that we did receive all of these beds for completely free to review from their respective brands. And in terms of the policy information that you should be backed by, bare minimum here, you should be getting completely free shipping with them all, at least a 100-night trial period to test them out at home for yourself before you're officially stuck with them. You get free returns or some sort of a return option with all of these mattresses, and they're all going to be backed by at least a standard 10-year warranty. Jumping right into this list, our first pick is pretty much going to be the overall pick for the best hybrid mattress list, and this is going to go to the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress. This is a quality hybrid option made right here in the USA out of Phoenix, Arizona. In fact, our team of experts recently visited the factory in which this bed is processed. It was really interesting to see how this bed's made and to see the coils that actually go into the makeup of this bed. But when you picture the Brooklyn Bedding Signature, basically imagine a really accommodating, comfy coil option. It's got a really soft, neutral hybrid feel that could work for just about any sleeper out there. And the bed itself is available in 3 different firmness renditions. You've got a soft, a medium, and a firm option to choose from, so you can kind of tailor the right firmness for you. We recommend most people go the route of the medium version, as it is right around a medium, give or take. Maybe it skews a little bit softer than that, so it's going to be a great option for all sleep styles with a slight pressure relief advantage for side and combination sleeping. If you want a more supportive option for back and stomach sleepers, obviously look at the firm version. And if you want a super strict side sleeping option, go with the soft. The Signature from Brooklyn Bedding is also available with a cooling pillow top upgrade. It's going to cost you a little bit more money, but it may add some additional comfort to the mattress and make it a little bit more appropriate for hot sleepers. But I would say price-wise, this is a pretty nice value for the level of quality that you're getting in a hybrid mattress here. A queen size usually goes for around the $1,000 mark, give or take after discount. Right now we're filming this around a major sale, so that pricing could be different in the future for you, but check in the description box to see whatever's current. Next up, we have a really unique feeling hybrid option for the more adventurous online mattress shopper. This is going to go to the Purple Restore Hybrid Bed. This is a more premium hybrid bed from the brand Purple, which makes a bunch of really unique feeling options, mainly because of the specialized material they use on top of their mattresses. It's called Hyper Elastic Polymer, otherwise known as the Gel Flex Grid. This is a really stretchy and durable gel-like material that's laid out in a grid format across the top of an entire bed. It's really responsive, but it also conforms to your body shape nicely. It's kind of the best of both worlds in terms of overall comfort. But it is kind of divisive based on the type of sleeper you are. You might prefer a little bit more of a conventional, traditional style of bed compared to something like this, which is way more adventurous. It's definitely something that strays from the norm when it comes to your usual bed. The bed is available in 2 firmness profiles. You've got a soft and a firm. Over here at the Slumber Yard, we primarily tested the firm version, and we would say firmness-wise, it's right around a proper medium firm on our scale. So it's primarily going to be best for back and stomach sleepers who want, more support rather than pressure relief from their Purple mattress, but it should also work for all sleep styles. If you're a strict side sleeper, I highly recommend you go with the soft version of the Purple Restore. It'll probably provide a lot more pressure relief for your shoulders and hips. This bed also performs really well for couples seeking a hybrid bed. It's got really strong edges, surprisingly good motion isolation, and the bed itself should sleep temperature neutral due to the Gel Flex Grid on top, pretty much having no surface area and tons of room for air to circulate through it. It's not going to be the most affordable hybrid bed on this list. A queen size is currently retailing for right around $2,400 flat, which is up there in terms of price, but it could be worth it for some. Again, check the description box to see whatever's current in terms of price and to see what sorts of discounts we can locate for you. Now we have more of a responsive memory foam hybrid offering with a double-sided design, so both sides are actually intended to be slept on. When it comes to this particular mattress, this is the Layla Hybrid. So with this bed, you get a soft and a firm side to choose from. The soft side is right around a medium soft on our scale, so that's the most applicable option for side and combination sleeping. But if you flip it over to the firm side, that's the better one for back and stomach sleepers, as it's right around a medium, give or take. But it could also work for side sleepers as well. Regardless of the side that you end up sleeping on, both feature more of an airy, responsive style of memory foam, very dissimilar to a more traditional dense Tempur-Pedic option. You're still going to get a body conforming quality from this bed, but it's going to be a lot more responsive and fluffy, for lack of a better term. It should be great for those sleepers who want a body conforming sensation from their mattress, but maybe not too much of one. The copper infused memory foam used on either side of this bed is quite light and airy, and it provides a little bit of a sink-in quality, and it's also going to sleep temperature neutral due to that copper infusion. It's a little bit cheaper than the last bed that I mentioned. A queen size usually goes for around the $1,500 range, give or take, after discount. We may have a discount code linked down below in the description with Layla Hybrid to save you even more money on it, so check down there. Now, we love flippable hybrid beds over here at the Slumber Yard, so much so that we decided to put another one of these beds on the list, but this time is a little bit firmer for back and stomach sleeping. This is the Plank Firm Luxe. So unlike the Layla Hybrid, this bed has more of a firm neutral foam feel. Either side is designed to be rather firm for, providing more support rather than pressure relief. Its firm side is right around a proper medium firm, probably the best option for all sleep styles, but maybe best for back and stomach sleeping. But when you flip it over to the extra firm side, that is going to be at a true firm on our scale. So probably only going to be, suitable for strict back and stomach sleepers who want an almost board-like level of firmness in their mattress. The version that we have comes with the optional Glaciotex cover for hot sleepers. It's kind of a slippery material, so keep that in mind. Your sheets could shift around on this bed a little bit more than you'd like, but if you're an especially hot sleeper, it could be worth spending up for it. All in all, I think this is a quality hybrid mattress, and it's pretty nicely priced. I think a queen size right now is available for the $1,150 mark after discount. Again, since we're filming this around a major sale, that pricing could be a little bit different as of when you're watching this video, but again, check in the description box. I think this bed is priced pretty reasonably year-round. Now, that was a flippable option for back and stomach sleepers, but what if you're more of a side sleeper who's in the market for a quality hybrid bed? In that case, consider the Nest Sparrow Signature Hybrid. This is a really premium pillow top option that I commonly recommend to my friends and family due to how quality and nice it is. It should work nicely for most side sleepers since the bed itself has more of a plush pillow top feel. It provides a lot of cushion and pressure relief for your shoulders and hips, while the coils on the bottom provide a lot of support for pretty much all body types. This bed is also available in 3 different firmness renditions. We have the medium version, and it does skew a little bit softer for side sleepers. We would place it right in between a medium soft and a medium on our scale. So again, a pretty noteworthy option for side sleepers, but if you want an even softer version of the bed, you can go that route. And then also you have a firmer option to consider. One really cool thing about the Nest Sparrow is that it comes with a lifetime renewal exchange program. That basically means you can swap out the Energex foam on top for a brand new one. That will dramatically increase the overall lifespan of your mattress, and you can avoid throwing out your entire mattress once the top comfort foam degrades a little bit. You can just swap it out for a new one. Price-wise, this bed usually ranges around the $2,000 mark after discount for a queen size. Since we're around a sale, I think it's a little bit more affordable than that. Again, hit the description box for more. 2 more to go, bear with me here. Next up, we have a hybrid option of a more natural and organic design for green thumbs out there. One of the best ones within the online space as we currently see it is the Avocado Green. So Avocado is a climate neutral company, and all of their mattresses feature materials that are certified organic. The Green uses recycled steel coils on the bottom, latex foam, organic cotton, and wool for comfort. And these design elements add up to give the Green from Avocado more of a straightforward latex foam feel in general. By default, the bed feels super bouncy, springy, and responsive, kind of like the opposite of a memory foam bed where you get lots of sink in and pressure relief. Here you're almost buoyant on top of the sleeping surface and you don't really sink in as much. Now, the standard version of the Avocado Green is going to be a truly firm bed by default. But we have the pillow top version over here at the Slumber Yard. It softens the bed up with a nice pillow top on top, and it's closer to around a medium firm on our scale. I really enjoy how comfortable the pillow top version of the Avocado Green is. I think it should work for pretty much all sleep styles. As I've alluded to, all the stuff in this bed is organically certified, and there are a myriad of certifications to back up just how ethically sourced it is. I believe the Green mattress from Avocado is even hand stitched together, so that should demonstrate just how quality this bed is in general. This notion is conveyed in terms of price pricing. It's not gonna be the most affordable option. Again, it's gonna be up there, a queen size after discount, with the pillow top is going for around the $2,300 mark. Again, check the description box for current pricing and promotions, as that stuff could change in the near future here. But rounding out this list, we have, a really luxurious pick from a reputable brand that's, pretty much one of the staples when it comes to hybrid beds reviewed on this channel. This is gonna go to the Saatva Classic. This is one of our favorite hybrid picks of a more luxurious design. It features 2 layers of coils on the bottom. You've got inner springs and then pocketed coils above that for even more targeted support. It also uses some memory foam just beneath the Euro pillow top that rounds out the mattress. And this construction gives the bed more of a traditional inner spring or pillow top feel. Simply put, it just feels like a hotel style of mattress, or maybe even something that you grew up sleeping on. It's available in 3 different firmness levels. You've got a plush, soft, a luxury firm, and a firm model to consider here. We've primarily tested the luxury firm at the Slumber Yard, and we've found it to be right around a medium firm, give or take, on our scale. This is a pretty good firmness for all sleep styles, with a slight support advantage for primary back or stomach sleepers. The Saatva Classic even features a lumbar support in the center third of the mattress, making it a pretty good option for people who have chronic pain at night. This will help keep your back more properly aligned while you sleep, so anything with a zone support construction is great to have. A queen size Saatva Classic is currently going for right around the $2,100 mark MSRP, but we expect that pricing to be a little bit lower going forward in the future. So again, check in the description box to see whatever's current in terms of pricing and promotions and discounts, in addition to all the other beds that I've mentioned. But that was pretty much our picks for the best hybrid mattresses as we currently see it. Hopefully we pointed you in the right direction and you got something out of this video. If that's the case, drop a like on it and consider subscribing to the Slumber Yard for so much more. We've got a lot of other best lists just like this to kind of help you out with your online mattress search, so your support really means a lot to us. Do you sleep on a hybrid mattress? Would you like to? Which hybrid bed do you currently sleep on? Write us down below in the comments and let us know your thoughts. But that's going to do it with this one. I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well out there, and like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.